Now this appliance is a hair dryer, and this appliance is wonderful. When you don't have any curlers at home, you don't have any curling irons, it's okay. It's gonna be all right because you could use your brush, and you can get your hair to be very straight. So you can straighten up the hair with your blow dryer. Just simply pushing the hair up and doing this, having it on high heat would be the best thing to do. So just by simply putting your brush down like that and pressing down and maybe putting the dryer on the hair, this tip is wonderful for the hair. It protects the hair. You want to use it so that way you don't burn the hair, so that way you can get close. You want to come down like that. You can even form a curl if you like. Dryer, okay? Straightening or curling or making it bouncing. As you see, it gives a nice straight, soft look. Or you can use smaller brushes to make a more formed curl. So it doesn't actually have to be the big brush. It could be a smaller brush. And it can be used for curling the hair, straightening the hair. Maybe if you don't have a hot comb, you can use your